Action 2020 is ArcelorMittal's commitment to structurally improving profitability and cash flow generation. It represents a set of plans at each of the operating segments to improve our results without assuming any improvement in the pricing environment. So when developing these plans, we've been very focused on structural changes to the business and leveraging elements and capabilities unique to ArcelorMittal. The overall plan can be probably summarized in three areas: structurally improving costs, capturing the volume opportunity, and increasing the share of higher added value products. To give you a little flavor, I can reference a few specific plans. Firstly, in the US, we have our downstream asset optimization plan. Following changes to our business in recent periods, we're now in a position to structurally improve results by closing and removing the costs associated with less productive assets in our system. At the same time, this will allow our more competitive assets to run at higher, more efficient operating rates. This downstream optimization is not about cutting capacity or output, but rather it's about reducing costs and increasing competitiveness. Also in the US, we have a plan to ramp up production at Calvert. We are in a unique position to leverage the world-class strengths and capabilities of Calvert to service the most demanding end markets, such as automotive. As well as structurally improving costs, this is a concrete example of increasing the proportion of higher value products we're selling across the group. In Europe, we have our transformation plan. We intend to cluster our finishing sites, allowing us to remove substantial overhead costs and centralize certain activities and improve logistics and service. We also have a bold plan to leverage our unique buying power through a centralized European-wide procurement platform. So on a group-wide basis, the Action 2020 plan suggests we can return EBITDA to in excess of $85 a ton. This would represent a $3 billion uplift from current levels and support annual free cash flow in excess of $2 billion. This is a powerful plan, and it's also an ambitious plan, but it is achievable, and there are perhaps three factors that give us this confidence. First, we have the experience. We have shown through the European asset optimization process in 2013 and 2014 that we can successfully make structural changes to the business and deliver sustainable improvement. You can see its success in the results of our European segment, which have clearly outpaced our competition in recent periods. Secondly, the plan is unique. And by this I mean that our plans are focused on actions and leveraging strengths that our competitors will find very difficult to replicate. We find this is critical to retaining the improvement in future periods. Our size and our scale provides us with these unique options. For example, a smaller single-site competitor would not be in a position to duplicate our European transformation plan. And third, the plan is business-driven. This is not a top-down exercise. The underlying set of plans that make up Action 2020 have come from the bottom up. They have been driven by the business. Everyone is therefore invested in the plan. Everyone is committed to achieving the targets, and a new long-term incentive plan is being put in place to ensure that the rewards are linked to its success. Action 2020 represents a critical strategic objective for ArcelorMittal and will be the major reference point for the group in the coming periods. We're all confident in the plan and committed to its success.